Hey guys, Hades here. This is where I would normally tell you I'm not a big fan of Asian food. And then just proceed to show you a lot of Western restaurants or other things to eat. And this time I did eat some Malaysian food. Honestly, I didn't care for it much, but I tried a few things. Some things are great, some not so much. I'm also probably going to quit doing these videos because they just don't get watched as much as other videos. So this might be the last one unless I go somewhere and go on a food tour, something like that. But I'll probably stop these videos. You know, initially it was just to show people what else you can eat. But, you know, I just think a lot of people aren't that interested in these videos. So this will be my last food video, at least for a while. All right, this is hash brown, egg, and I guess lettuce. Chicken core. Yeah, some pasta. That looks edible. I could do that. Okay, Taco Bell in Kuala Lumpur. They mostly have chicken stuff. So there's this place right across from the hotel. Okay, Pizza Roma, had it before. I ordered a 7-inch, which is more like a 4 or 5-inch last time. And so this time it's something different, bigger. Shawarma, unfortunately, one was supposed to be cheese, one was no cheese, and they didn't tell me. Thing going to. First time I've seen fish. Alright, so see, I'm trying stuff. Really don't like this music. My favorite place so far. Noches. So I got Bavarian filled and a chocolate pudding filled. I can't tell if that's real bacon because at Burger King they had beef bacon. So we'll see. Looks good. Okay, so ordered from Texas Chicken. This is what you get. I don't know, interesting. Also got a I don't know, like a wrap. Durian. There's the
Pricey. Boring. Also kind of boring. That actually looks a little interesting. Sugar cane is awesome. I think they make a sugar cane drink or a coconut drink. I think you get ice cream in a coconut shell with shaved coconut. Okay, Night Street Market. I was not super impressed. I totally recommend this place. The kebabs are good, and look at that. Cheapest I see type. Pizza looks good. The fries taste like shit. There's no way in hell the cheese should be sweet. This is Bachelor's Pizza in Kuala Lumpur. What they pretend is pepperoni is salami. What they pretend is crust. I am so concerned because last time was horrible. Keep in mind, Taco Bell charges you twice as much to get half as full. So it better be perfect. Looks okay. Got pepper lunch here. I like pepper lunch. But they don't have the brown sauce here. Just have teriyaki and curry and barbecue. It's express. Not a normal pepper lunch. Shame. Only like 1 teaspoon of teriyaki on here. Not a lot of sauce with this. I don't like this pepper lunch, regular non-express pepper lunch, 4 times better. These things are delicious, very spicy, and they squirt every time you bite into them, but they're really, really good. ordered one of these burgers. They were pretty good. This place seemed interesting, but I don't know if I can smoke here. Probably not. Hello. This half of the place is here with the smoke. But no, it doesn't look like much of a bar. This little bar I found.
The rice is...
Taco Bell again. Taco Bell's expensive. You know what? I don't think I need to show everything. This is the Panda restaurant where you can get Panda burgers. Okay, found Pizza Roma. Pretty good, especially compared to Domino's. Had some issues with Domino's. One, their pepperoni was horrible. Now keep in mind, this is an Islamic country, so there's not a lot of pork. So the pepperoni is either beef or chicken. The beef pepperoni from this place tastes good, like pepperoni. The beef pepperoni from Domino's is horrible. Chicken breast strips. I think that's Korean food. Yes, again, Taco Bell. Another thing I wanted to say is don't eat Domino's in Kuala Lumpur. They were pretty bad. I know I had issues at Cebu, and basically it was the same issue with the pepperoni. What I found out, because Malaysia is kind of a Muslim country. You could get pork, but not everywhere. And so at Domino's, their pepperoni is not made out of pork. It's made out of beef or chicken. They call it beef pepperoni, which in my opinion tastes horrible, and they have chicken pepperoni, which just tastes like, sliced processed chicken that's slightly spicy. Neither were very good, but the one in Cebu, they used the beef pepperoni that they use in Malaysia, so it's really, really bad. So I looked it up because I thought pepperoni was mostly made out of beef, and it turns out pepperoni is both beef and pork. The other pizza place I ate at that I showed in this video is pretty good, and it's also just beef pepperoni. But the ones Domino uses is horrible. And I guess they also send the same stuff to the Philippines, so it's not very good. Also, one time I ordered Domino's, and they didn't arrive until 3 or 4 hours after they were supposed to arrive. Another time I ordered, it didn't arrive at all. I talked to another girl in the hotel who paid in advance. She ordered Domino's, she never got it. She tried calling them for weeks because they charged her. Finally, she got a hold of them. They did apologize, but that's it. They sent her order. They didn't give her anything extra or any sort of discount for not getting her food for over 2 weeks. I don't recommend you use Domino's in Kuala Lumpur.